One thing as you move on doing darkroom work, you're going to see that your limitations, you're going to realize that you can go beyond them in a way. And one I'm going to talk about right now is different papers and different developer combinations. One developer that I really like using is a developer called Ultra Black. And it's in liquid form. That's pretty much the developers I'm going to talk about right now in this segment. These developers tend to be more expensive, and sometimes these liquid developers can be sort of hard to get shipped to you for certain shipping regulations. But you can almost always figure out a way to get them to you. The Ultra Black paper is the Ultra Black developer it affects the paper in a way that your black is extremely rich. And when used with certain cold tone papers, like some of the Ilford papers and some of the papers manufactured under the name Berger, really make a beautiful, beautiful print. And when you combine them in different dilution times, you can actually change your print from looking almost to a blue black to an almost a warm black. So extremely versatile paper developer.